How to export your saved passwords from Google Chrome web browser. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome web browser, and then at the top right corner you will get three dots. Tap on these three dots and then tap on settings, and after that you will get password manager. Tap on it. Now at the upper right corner you will get a profile picture icon, so tap on it, and after that here you'll get your all Gmail accounts. Now you have to select that Gmail account in which Gmail account you saved your passwords. To export it, tap on settings and then tap on export passwords, and then again tap on export, and now it will ask you to enter your screen lock, so give your PIN number, password or fingerprint. Then it will open your mobile storage. Now create a folder and then tap on save, and as you can see that exporting file. Now go to that folder, and as you can see that Google passwords, and that is my exported file. And that's how you can export your saved password on Google Chrome web browser. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.